Abuja, welcome back. Ne kasaka krebi about some of the big artists in Ghana and Africa. Shows of born over the weekend and normal also. If you've seen some of the videos that pop online now, well, we need to talk about this. Yes, here. Starting off, Stonebwoy called Central University over the weekend. Nikoko perform and then we crowd the you know university school for Nankasa Kran be fail home. What you say? Plus, a month will be free outside Abba. From the videos and what people are saying online, it was a dope show. And yes, Central University in Ghana show happening with school. Legon for as a foresight paint hall, the ben show be and then you know Ghana artists be brina koko when the shame me ho. Sister Debbie say no so ho. Sister Debbie ho there, you know say AMG medical so no ho. Pamina MP Subambi. And other artists, but one amount work on was a pie, Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale, you know Shatta Wale is a performer. The guy, you know, when it comes to stage performance, he's on a different level. And then Shatta performed that video so jam and so toy. Swear to you, don't Shatta the Wale Jinemu performance still. After this, we're not telling you no crown, still Shatta Wale Jinemu performing. On Twitter, some flex betray will say he has an album called After the Storm, so he knows how to overcome troubles both on stage and off stage. This electric performance was after the heavy rainfall yesterday at Legon for the Pent Hall Week celebrations put together by Foresight. Shatta Wale is a performer. Abuja and there was a video attached now to me say, yeah, Shatta Wale is Shatta Wale. When it comes to performance, there the energy he brings, you know, storm couldn't find him. And then moving on to Rasta for you know in Black Hole.
For the fans, you know the fans, they're billions.
Couple of days ago, na Black Hole hit in New York because no show was Palladium hall, and then you know started posting stuff on Instagram. Just okay, waba this and that. I'm on phone share and this and you know normal promo stuff.
Yeah, man, they too. They go interview.
And then the day happened, and then he went on stage, and I was a crowd to pull up to show support to Black Hole. No, my goodness. With Black Hole was in his element, and then the show now was on goodness gracious and that Palladium venue, you know, I think it's a capacity over 2,000, and then you know, it looks to me say it was a sold out show because you know our Monfo really pulled up to show support. I don't care about me no more. So congrats to Black Hole. I feel like you know they really enjoyed themselves. But one more artist from Africa, a host to show outside, you know, outside Africa was Burna Boy. Burna Boy be show of France, Paris. It was 40,000 capacity venue. So the whole thing out. And then my goodness, we had the feed. And I'm like, okay, these Nigerians are on a different level. Abuja, he wasn't pulling these numbers up because of Bonwo. He was not even doing it at an English-speaking country. French. France. I don't even think that there are 40,000 Nigerians in Paris. Look at that amount where buy. I'll show some of the videos that you and I'm like 40,000. Yehovah. Now these guys are like, you know, doing things on a different level. Now I know that with support from Ghanaians in the diaspora, and sometimes we can also, you know, Who am I kidding? We are never going to do that, at least not in the next 5 years. 40,000 in a French-speaking country. And just look at that. I think a couple of weeks ago, me were sharing UK artists here not talking about say the shows, the tickets or selling for the shows, sometimes are very cheap because he doesn't just want to sell expensive tickets, send a buyer amount for can't even pay to enter. Or person selling it very cheap, send a buyer amount for in a bit me and then the place will be filled up. That is a different mentality to say, okay, I am this guy. Because of my standard in my men charge this amount. You see, I don't know if that tactics in a Burna Boy movie. So I know that they do a lot of promotion. Even on social media, you can see, say, even though it's all big numbers, they also do extra promotion. Send a baby watch and a baby photo tickets and all that. Burna Boy in whole crew like 40,000 in a non-English speaking country for an artist they are onto French. And now on to France country numkurada. Yehovah 40,000. I know say time will come. Ghana artists will reach there. Will also get big venues like that and sell it out. I think that we need to change our mentality in a way, kakra. If that happens now, yeah, we can also do that. You remember Wizkid Ness and Akwaboah Show Ghana? I think so. The organizers agree. Say so. Almost selling at the whole Accra Sports Stadium was the same. They couldn't do that. The organizers, because of that, Wizkid non-performing because on person a brand they look like okay. And then it will be some kind of a dance, especially at the time I all competing with the video Burna Boy and other big artists from Nigeria. I don't know what we can do a bit more speedy process of at least reaching that numbers in some places like that. I've seen other artists put on a different bill like a dinner saying Kobo show was a Switzerland or Australia and then a month for pulling up Ankasa. But the thing with that show they say that wasn't a dinner show. Ankasa like everything was here. It was, I think she was part of it. Show somewhere in Ghana with like a Fruchella, she's almost sending and all that. I think it was something like that. But with Burna Boy, they will say one man, giant of Africa, and then 40,000 capacity sold out. Madness. Either way, no video, tap send. So Europe, USA, and Canada, now person send this come for Ghana. Abuja no here tap send. No answer akwa Apple App Store and a Google Play Store no akwa download their two phones so. Obetimi send this kind to nipa no mobile money account and a bank account directly.
Maybe I'm this can be free Europe akoma ebusuan for Ghana no. Me use tap send.
What they send this kind enyo kapre and on top of that exchange rate SN was through.
Tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Easy, convenient, fast, and sounds so free. And
for the first time, as you use with send this can I bet you $10 for free. So you now book code Magraheb. Is that simple?
Also download the tap send app no ever mobile phone so free. Tap send. Papa no.
In a video no. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Send a video be a baby ano. Bye now Saka. Till we meet again. Adios.